Friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of bowl in Autodesk Inventor software. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to construct a pattern profile on a circular profile. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. And here take a 2D sketch, select the XY plane. Now take the line command. From this center point make one line here, escape. Now here go to arc command, take 3-point arc. Select this endpoint of this line and make one arc. Okay, now go to dimension. Define this dimension as 30 mm. Okay, and here define this radius as 35. Okay, now here define this height from this bottom as 50, and here define this from here. This will be also 50 mm. Okay, now here take the offset command and select this profile enter. Here we are going to take an offset of 3 mm, escape, double click this and OK. Okay, we are going to take here 5 mm. Okay, now go to arc command, take 3-point arc, join these profiles, and here this will be tangent, escape. Okay, so this will be the profile. Go to line command and close this profile from here. Now this is a closed profile, escape. Here you can see this is fully constrained. Now finish sketch. Now we are going to take the revolve command. So this profile will be selected. For axis, select this as axis of rotation. Okay, now press OK. Now we are going to make the cut profiles and then pattern this. For this cut profile, go to 2D sketch, go to origin, and here again select the XY plane. Now change the view, go to view, visual style, and change it to wireframe. Okay, now here go to sketch, and here project geometry, project this inner profile and project this also, escape, and here go to offset, select this profile, drag the cursor this side, enter, and here we are going to take offset of 3 mm, escape, double click this and OK. Okay, now go to dimension. From bottom this will be at a height of 48 mm. Okay, escape. Now here go to dimension. This bottom from here will be at a distance of 3 mm, escape. Now take the line command, select the line here, drag this outside and join till here, escape. Now go to dimension, define this base as 25. Okay, so this is a closed profile. Now finish sketch. Here go to revolve command, select this profile. So this will be a profile to cut. I'll rotate the view to make it more clear. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here we will take axis and the axis will be the y axis. Okay, now here you can see it is revolving at 360 or a full revolve. From here we will change to angle and we will define the angle degree to 10 degree. Okay, here we will take symmetric and here take cut. Okay, so a symmetric cut will be applied on this profile. Now press OK. Okay, so here you can see a cut profile. Now I want the edges to be round, so go to 3D model, take fillet, and here take the radius as 4.3. Go to edge selection, Now rotate the profile, select this edge, okay, and here select this edge, apply. Now change the radius to 3 mm. Go to edge selection, rotate the profile, select this edge, rotate, and here select this edge, okay, press ok. Now here go to fillet command once again. This time we are going to take a fillet radius of 0.5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this inner edge, rotate the profile, okay, select this side also, select this outer edge. Now press ok. So this will be the profile to be pattern, okay. Now here take this circular pattern, select revolve 2, fillet 1, 2 and 3, go to rotation axis and select the y axis. Here it will ask you the count and the degree of revolution. Here we are going to take a count of 20 and this will be fill up to 360 degree, okay. Now press ok. So it will construct the pattern over here, okay. So this will be the pattern, okay. Now you can give the appearance. From here change to opal, so I'll click O, okay. So you can see the color. You can select any of the color as your own wish, okay. So this will be the complete profile. So I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.